Alright guys, this is my second video on how to build a gaming PC. In this video, I'll finish installing the hardware of the computer. So starting off this video, you're going to need 4 components. You are going to need your power supply, your graphics card, your hard drive, and your optical disk drive. The power supply will come with a warranty guide, an important safety information booklet, a power cord, and the power supply itself. You'll notice on the back of the power supply there will be an on-off switch, along with a 3-pin connector where the power cord will plug into the power supply. Before you install the power supply, please note that it can be installed either fan side up or fan side down. Begin by inserting it under a sort of ledge on the side of the case. Then slide the power supply until it is flush with the back of the case. Secure it to the case with 4 screws and you're good to go. You'll also notice a bunch of cables sticking out of the right side of the power supply. Simply leave those there for now and we'll get back to them later. Next, it's time to install the graphics card. Begin by unscrewing the coverings at the back of the case to make room for the output ports of the graphics card. For my graphics card, I had to remove 2 of the coverings. Next, slide the graphics card into the blue PCIe slot of the motherboard. Make sure the ports of the graphics card line up with the slots on the back of the case. Once you feel the graphics card click into place, secure it with a screw. Now it's time to install the hard drive. Slide the hard drive into one of the hard drive bays with the ports facing away from you. If necessary, pull a little clip to allow the hard drive to slide into place. If you wish, you can further secure your hard drive to your case with screws. Finally, it's time to install the optical drive. Pop out one of the coverings of an optical drive bay slot by pushing from the inside of the case. Then, slide the optical drive into the drive bay. Again, you may need to lift up a metal tab to allow the optical drive to slide into place. To further secure the optical drive to your case, you can also secure it with screws. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.